Hello friends, day 80, and I had the treat of a nice estate path for about the first 10 or 12 miles this morning, and then pretty good paths to follow after that. I had my head in the clouds this morning, literally. Very low cloud. You might have been having a heat wave where you are, but certainly not here. It barely made double figures, and quite a strong wind as well. It made it feel very chilly. But the cloud was very low, and so there were very few decent views this morning. Lovely to hear the curlews and the lapwings again this morning. I haven't heard those since the Pennine Way, so that was a treat. Excitement coming tomorrow because I'm going shopping. I'm getting very low on food. I'll show you my food bag in a minute. But the first shop for 160 miles or so, 9 days it's taken me to get from the last shop to this one, so I'm looking forward to stocking up tomorrow. I struggled a bit to find a campsite this evening, but I have found somewhere. It's not brilliant, but it's good enough. See you on the trail. Let's have a look at what I've got left in my food bag. A tiny little bit of trail mix. I'm going to have some of that tonight and some for breakfast. I've got a bit over half of a malt loaf, so again some of that tonight and some for breakfast. I've amazingly still got a few dark chocolate Brazil nuts and a few dark chocolate gingers. I don't know how they've survived this long. And I've got one flapjack which I'm going to have for breakfast, and that's it. Oh, apart from a very small piece of Kendal mint cake, so I might have a little bit of that tonight as well. And that's it. That's all that's left of loads and loads, about 6 kilos of food that I bought in Kinloch 9 days ago. This is my room with a view tonight. Lots of wind turbines. No mountains close by, because the northeast of Scotland is actually very flat.